Hey guys, for today's vlog it's going to be a little bit different. So right now it's 6:30 p.m. I just finished work. Normally I'd grab a taxi going head straight to my room, but now I decided to walk and take you guys along with me. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm currently here at Avenues Mall, which is actually where I work. It's one of the oldest malls in Muscat, and honestly, it brings back a lot of memories. When I first came to Oman back in 2016, this mall used to be so crowded. There weren't a lot of malls back then, maybe just 4 in the whole city. So Avenues Mall was always full. Behind Avenues Mall, there's a place called Grand Mall. That one used to be popular too. Really busy, lots of visitors and full of shops. But now, it feels kinda sad. The shops are still open but it's so empty inside. Everything changed when Mall of Oman and Mall of Muscat came into the picture. Those malls are huge and modern, so most people prefer to go there now. It's crazy to think how much Muscat has changed in just 9 years. Time really flies. So after natin malagpasan itong Grand Mall, tatawid naman tayo ng kalsada sa main highway talaga. So papunta na tayo dito sa taas. Grabe, sobrang init. Now I need to cross this road. Always be careful here. The cars in Muscat usually go really fast. Grabe! First time kong naglakad dito guys, na wrong turn ako actually. Dalawa yung daan dito. Ito at saka doon sa kabila. So punta ako dito, akala ko shortcut. Nung sa dulo pala, dead end na pala. So GG. Bumalik na naman ako. Napalayo ako sa dinadaanan ko. So additional 30 minutes. So instead of 30 minutes yung lakad, naging 1 hour. So ito yung traffic light. Traffic light pa loob ng Alcoer. So andun yung Alcoer area. Dito ngayon sa Muscat guys, actually very humid. Sobrang init. Yung pawis na ako, grabe kainit. Mga 10 minutes lang ako naglalakad pero grabe na yung pawis sa katawan ko. So, nandito na tayo sa traffic light. Dumaan tayo dito sa gilid para hindi tayo kita pag if nagbi-video tayo. Actually, medyo na-intimidate ako sa mga sasakyan kasi ang daming sasakyan dito sa gilid. Diretso lang to, straight. From the traffic light, going here, straight. So yan pala yung Grand Mall. Yan, dun tayo galing sa Grand Mall. Tapos nandito na tayo. Medyo malapit lang siya tingnan pero sobrang layo. Grabe, sobrang init. Parang ako naliligo ng pawis dito. So yan yung mga typical na house dito sa Oman. Mga villa-villa siya. Normal lang yan dito guys. So actually guys, lahat ng bahay dito pare-pareho lang ng kulay. Kasi yan yung ng government dito sa Oman. Ang ganda lang dito sa amin kasi accessible siya sa lahat. May hospital, may hypermarket. At saka meron siyang mga groceries malapit. So maganda na rin yung location ko. Actually maganda talaga tong Alcoer. Ito yung Wadi. Yung Wadi in Arabic, it's a river. So, walang tubig. May tubig lang yan siya pag may baha dito sa Oman, pag umulan. Pero very rare na talaga umulan dito sa Oman. Kita niyo yung mga mountain? Yan yung dahilan kung bakit bawal mag-skyscraper dito sa Oman kasi ayaw nila matabunan yan.
Nandito na tayo sa park. May mga batang naglalaro ng football. So guys, andito na ako sa bahay ko. Grabe, talagang yung pawis talaga para ako naliligo. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.